Delhi Cantt Railway Station, one of the busiest railway stations in India, connects the national capital with major cities in North India. However, for people with disabilities, navigating through the station can be a difficult task. That's why Anuprayaas, in association with Standard Chartered Bank, has made Delhi Cantt Railway Station accessible to all. Anuprayaas, in association with Standard Chartered Bank, has installed various accessibility features at Delhi Cantt Railway Station. These include Braille maps, Braille booklets, QR codes. The Braille maps and booklets help visually impaired people navigate through the station easily. They can locate the ticket counter, platforms, and other facilities without any assistance. The Braille signages and platform indicators at the station provide essential information in Braille for visually impaired people. This enables them to find their way around the station without any assistance. The portable ramps make it easy for wheelchair users to access the station. They can now board and alight trains with ease. Anuprayaas, in collaboration with Standard Chartered Bank, has made Delhi Cantt Railway Station now accessible to all. People with disabilities can now travel without any barriers. Let's hope more public spaces in India become accessible for people with disabilities. Remember, accessibility is not just a luxury but a basic human right.